This is the first video in a new series of videos on finding a job in what I'm going to call the pandemic recession. You're not just trying to find work in a recession, but you're also trying to find work in a pandemic. And there's a couple factors of that that's impacting the recession. I'm going to be some topics we're going to cover in this new video series. It's all going to be focused on trying to find work and elements of that in this time. I'm going to be sharing my approach for how I approach it, and this is something that I developed largely in the last recession 10 years ago. And I'm going to be sharing through that, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. We're going to talk about if you're feeling discouraged, if you feel like you're doing something wrong, and you're facing a lot of rejection, and you're thinking that the rejection is saying there's something I'm doing that's really wrong and I want to fix it. We're going to talk about that. And we're also going to talk about interview strategies. And there's a tip I want to share on that. No promises on this next one, but I'm hoping to basically have someone come on the channel who's I can talk to about trying to find a job in this time, that we can have a conversation about it. And so, we'll see how it goes. But this whole series is going to be focused on trying to find a job in this pandemic recession. A little bit of background on me. I graduated in basically the tail end of the last recession. I graduated in 2012. And it was a very difficult time to try to find work as a new grad. A couple of years before I graduated, I basically had this person this is the middle of the recession. I had this person who spoke to us, and he basically said, if you aren't networking, you're not going to have a job when you graduate. That was pretty terrifying to me. And I ended up doing a pretty absurd amount of networking. I think in about a year and a half, I kept a spreadsheet of this. I think it was like over 200 people I either talked to on the phone or had an in-person, like, informational interview with them. And these are large, I think they're almost all, if not all, alumni of my school. And I ended up having a couple options when I graduated. I could, which was, not everybody had that in 2012 when they graduated. So, but even after that, it was just it was a weird time, and it was a lot of looking for work and a very oppressive environment. And I basically developed this approach that I'm going to be sharing with you on the channel. And I don't want to say success is an unusual. It's difficult to quantify success in this time, because it's so difficult, it's so challenging. So I'll say this: I'm going to share with you what I do and what I would recommend doing, but let me know if you have something else you think is a better approach as we're going through these videos. Feel free to leave some comments. Also share some links to Awesome Resume Help, which is my business for helping people with their resumes. So we got a couple videos coming, so stay tuned. As always, new videos every Wednesday, and feel free to reach out if you need help with a resume. Thanks so much.